Well, IBC 2024 is actually Mission Microwave's 10th appearance at IBC. In 2024, our CEO brought in our Javelin buck to show to a few customers, and 10 years later, almost 20,000 amplifiers later, we're back at IBC. This year we have a 1 kilowatt KU band amplifier that we're showing, and along with our well-known Stinger, Javelin, and Titan models of bucks. And they're also on several stands throughout the show. As always, we've got several of what we call our made-for-a-mission customer terminals throughout the show floor. So it's a really exciting show this year. It's been a great appearance, a great 10th year appearance for Mission Microwave, and the customers are happy to see us here with a lot of new opportunities showing.